Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the updated steps to enable email notifications for activity on Shuffles in Pinterest. This way, you'll never miss a moment when someone interacts with your Shuffles, keeping you in the loop effortlessly. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Next, head over to your profile. To do this, simply tap on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal Pinterest space, where you manage your boards, pins, and now, notifications. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option labeled Notification and tap on it. This section controls how Pinterest communicates with you about various activities and updates. Scroll down until you find the Others category. Under this, you'll see Activity on Shuffles. This is the specific setting that manages notifications related to your Shuffles, Pinterest's Creative Collage feature. Tap on Activity on Shuffles, and you'll see different notification options. Here, you want to focus on the email notifications. Simply toggle the switch to the on position to enable email alerts, and that's it. Now, whenever there's activity on your Shuffles, Pinterest will send you an email notification, keeping you updated without having to constantly check the app. Enabling these notifications is a great way to stay connected with your Pinterest community and engage more actively with the creative content you share. If you want to customize further, you can always explore other notification settings within the app to tailor your experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying notified about all the exciting activity on your Shuffles.